All right, so it's been a while. I've got some explaining to do. So, not sure if I ever mentioned it in any of the previous videos. I know I posted it on Instagram saying that I was going to have a big video coming out. Had a lot of work to do on the GTI. Got it all done, filmed the whole thing, went to edit, and I was not happy with the video. Didn't like most of the clips that I got. Definitely wasn't going to go back and do it again because I took a few days off of work and spent 5 days working on everything. Anyway, sat down to edit. I was sitting there waiting for a few clips to upload, scrolling Instagram, and I saw a buddy of mine posted a car for sale. This car. Shot him a text, tried to find out what the deal was with it. It checked all the boxes of what I've been looking for. The price that he gave me was just too good to pass up. Next day, cleaned up the GTI, took a bunch of pictures, put it on Craigslist, Facebook, and 4 weeks later, it sold. Really nice father and son duo picked it up from Connecticut, so it's got a new home up there. Guys, if you're watching this, I hope it's as good to you, if not better than it was for me. Great car, good luck. So yeah, sold that, went to the bank the next day, took out a loan, and now I have this. So I guess this is kind of the official introduction to the new car for myself and for the channel. It is my new, well, not new, it's my 11-year-old, new to me, 2015 Audi S3. So there she is, 2015 Audi S3. Been driving it for about a week or so, maybe a little bit longer. So far, loving it. Not without its flaws. Got a few little quirks that need to be worked out. A couple little rattles, things like that. Trim that needs to be refinished or rewrapped. I believe it had a chrome delete. Trim just wasn't put back on right, so it's touching and unwrapping. That's a problem. Headlights, this one's good. That one's a little foggy. I think it was in a slight front end accident. One of the headlights was replaced, one of them wasn't. So do a little buff polish on those, bring them back to life. But the biggest issue that I have is the crackle tune wing. I'm not a 20-year-old with a brand new Audi, BMW, or Infiniti with a crackle tune. I don't want either of those things. So this introduction video is also going to be a de-modification video, and we are ripping that fucking thing off. Gotta go. So before the crackle wing goes, the bird shit on the crackle wing has to go. Shit's nasty. Do not want to touch that. Alright, now that we've got the bird crap off of the crackle wing, ooh, crapple wing. God, I hate this fucking thing. All right, so we're gonna get the heat gun, put some heat on this thing, warm up the glue. It's just held on by double-sided tape, and hopefully we can just pop it off with a trim removal tool and never have to see this fucking thing again. More quality work here. I don't know if you can see this. There's a single piece of double-sided tape holding the corner down. There's not more tape until the middle. How people do this kind of work and think it's acceptable is beyond me. A roll of 3M double-sided tape is like $6. And they're piecemealing this fucking thing together. Okay, this piece of shit is off. These pieces of shit have to come off. This is the really enjoyable part. Gotta be done. So the reason we were unmodifying the car and taking the stupid fucking crackle spoiler off is because I don't want to be associated with the kind of people that run them. Because people that run them do half-ass shit. Like this. Trunk is completely fucked because they decided to use multiple tiny pieces of shitty, very thick foam double-sided tape. So when dirt gets under there, with all the vibrations from the exhaust that is welded to the fucking car, it destroys the paint. Makes me pretty happy. Luckily, I do have another spoiler on order. A smaller, subtle one, like a factory little S3 wing. Hopefully it'll cover all of that shit. If not, my trunk is fucked and it's gonna need paint or a replacement. I don't want to do either, so let's hope when my new wing comes in it covers all that shit. So I did the best I could with some adhesive remover. This is just fucking destroyed. Paint is missing, paint is scratched. It's just, look at this shit. It's really disheartening when you get a new car and you're excited to do shit to it, and then you have to undo some of the things, and this is the kind of shit you find. Just makes you think, what the fuck is wrong with people? Anyway, I'm gonna give this thing a quick wash, see if we can't clay bar, cut, and buff some of this out, at least make it look a little bit better. Try to hide some of the shame with a little shine, because damn. iPhone update, because I'm not breaking out my camera to show you this. Alright, get the trunk all washed up, looking pretty good. I love the symmetry of the back end of these cars. Everything's perfect on both sides. The S3 badge was pissing me off, so I removed it while I'm here, you know? Okay, so it's been washed, it's been clayed. Let's see if we can cut and buff it. I don't have much hope for this part, but the rest, the paint is in pretty good shape. Definitely needs a polish. Not gonna do the whole car today, just gonna do the trunk lid where we took off the badge and the wing, and hope it comes out all right. So, wish me luck. Okay, so I knew I wasn't gonna fix it completely, but it's a lot less noticeable now. That's what we just hit, and this is the rest of the trunk. Work with what you got, right? All right, I'm not gonna film, I'm just gonna get to work on this. I'll show you the after. All right. Didn't take as long as I expected it to. This is the outcome. Good from far. Still far from good. Really only two spots you can see with the naked eye. If you get up close, you can definitely see, I don't know if the camera kind of shows it, a lot of little scratches up in here. All from, I'm guessing, the vibration of the wing because it wasn't properly secured. But this thing is polished. It's good to go. Just gonna hit it with a quick detailer spray. It's got some like ceramic properties to it. It'll work for now. Once I go to put the new wing on though, obviously we're gonna have to take that off or it won't adhere properly again. I'm gonna knock this out quick. I'll show you the after and I'm gonna wrap this video up. All right, so we're wrapping this up. I think it came out pretty damn good, all things considered. I'll try to throw a before picture in, how shitty this thing looked, but as much as I hate that paint is missing on this trunk, it's been coated. I don't think we're gonna have any rust issues or anything like that. No corrosion. It just sucks. Hopefully the new wing, whenever the hell it comes in, will cover all of that. It'll definitely be more subtle. Yeah, that's unfortunate, but like I said, did the best with what we had. Took the S3 badge off. I think it looks much more clean. I don't care about showing off. I care about it looking good. And when there's RS3s around, who's really showing off anyway? But yeah, there's still plenty more to do with this thing. So, till next time, take care.